This video I will explain what is a mutual fund and how does it work. A mutual fund is a way for many people to invest their money together. Instead of investing alone, investors pool their money into one large fund. This money is then invested in different assets like stocks, bonds or other investments. A professional manager called fund manager manages this money and decides where to invest it. The goal of mutual fund is to help investors to grow their money over the time. Now we will see what is a mutual fund. A mutual fund is an investment vehicle that collects money from many investors and invests that money in a variety of investments. The key idea is many investors, money collected together and invested in different assets. This makes it easier for beginners to invest because they do not need to choose investments themselves. Now we will see how a mutual fund works. Step 1. Investors invest money. Many people invest money in a mutual fund scheme. Step 2. Money is pooled together. All the money from the investors is combined into one large investment pool. Step 3. Fund manager invests the money. A fund manager studies the market and invests the money in different assets like stocks, bonds, and government securities. Step 4. Investments generate returns. If the investments perform well, the value of the mutual fund increases. Step 5. Investors earn returns. The profit is shared among the investors according to the amount they invested. Now we will see the example of a mutual fund. Imagine 1000 people each invest 1000 rupees. So total money collected is 10 lakh. This 10 lakh is managed by a fund manager who invests it in different assets. If the investments grow and the fund value increases, investors benefit from the growth. One important concept in mutual funds is diversification. Diversification means spreading investments across many different assets instead of putting all money into one investment. For example, instead of buying just one stock, a mutual fund may invest in 20 different companies or 50 different companies. This helps to reduce investment risk. Now we will see what is net asset value. The value of mutual fund is measured using net asset value. Net asset value means the price of one unit of the mutual fund. If the investments in the fund performs well, then net asset value increases. If the investments lose value, then net asset value decreases. Now we will see benefits of mutual funds. Mutual funds are popular because they provide several benefits. First one is professional management. A fund manager manages the investments. Second one is diversification. Money is spread across many investments. Third one is accessibility. Investors can start with small amounts of money. Fourth one is convenience. Investors do not need to analyze the market themselves. Now we will see risk of mutual funds. Mutual funds also have some risk. First one is market risk. If the stock market falls, the value of mutual fund may decrease. Second one is no guaranteed returns. Returns depends on how the investments perform. Now we will see the summary. A mutual fund is an investment where many people pool their money together. A fund manager invests the money. Investments are spread across many assets. Investors earn returns when the fund grows. It is one of the most common ways for beginners to start investing and building long term wealth.